Jason Procyk, Unique Scaffold from Calgary in Edmonton. I've been in business 27 years.
Brendan with Unique Scaffold, been with 15 years and foreman for them for probably 13 of those years.
My name is Stefano Sarno, been working with Unique for 8 years. First time using a lift on a job like this, and it's been super awesome.
So we are in Geraldton, Ontario, and we are building a scaffold for a water tower repaint. Typical chaining, you're probably 5 hours a day of straight bombing gear. Now we can have 2 guys bomb gear with a hoist and 4 guys build. It's quite an innovation for us.
It's drastically helped on the body, much easier. You load it, goes up, goes down. No need to change material, no strain on the lower back. Job's much easier. You can use it with 2 people instead of 8, 10 people. So it's very productive and efficient, yeah.
When it came down to actual man hours, you were moving the same amount of gear in the same amount of hours, just in a condensed time, because you had 8 guys in a chain as opposed to 2 guys moving gear. So the LIFTBOT, it kept up.
Safety-wise, on the workers as far as straining and spraining themselves, right? Like, we're eliminating probably the most difficult part of our job is getting the material up. So if you're doing the same job over and over again, you're gonna get tired. You more than likely become complacent, or you're gonna get agitated just from being stuck doing the same thing time and time again. So eliminating that, guys can go up and they can joke, and tensions don't get quite as high, which creates a better work environment for the guys.
Complete night and day. I got much more energy to do stuff after work compared to none. In terms of the battery, it's very easy to use and switch out. Had no issues with it at all.
The battery life has surpassed our expectations. It'll run around the clock. We like the preset safety stops. So you're not toggling up and down and farting around trying to get the lift at the right level. So it's all preset, so that's a very good feature, as well as the speed. It moves up and down and is loaded really quick. Super easy to assemble and get operational. You hook it up, you put on your rails, and it's set it and forget it. You just start running and working.